All right, looks like we have a couple things moving here. Let's see what's actually gonna hold up. This might hold up. Let's see. Let's take that test straight. Nice. Okay. So we're gonna see a dip here. 56. 66 is that target. Immediate push. Seller getting bought up. BIAF also going. Dang, this is beautiful, man. This is like immediate. Let's see. Let's see what this wants to do here. It might keep going right away. Keep going right away. So clap and go. Oh my goodness. That's so strong. I didn't think it, I think it wouldn't hold 70. Easy money, huh? Easy money on this thing, dude.
CRCG, UANY, IRD, BG, HYMC.
Alright, well, sheesh. I didn't think it would be. I didn't think it would be that fast. Did not think it would be that fast, but imagine taking it from here, 50s all the way to 70. Jeez, that's nice. That size down here, we see a dip to 61. Oh, there it is. Dip under 64, 63, 62. Oh my goodness. I'm taking that quick 3-cent pop. I feel like that's a no-brainer to take it. I'll size down, see if I can hold. I'll keep 3K. Yeah, I gotta size up. So that was a quick pop. 63 to 66.
CRCG.
I didn't think I would see that right away, but we saw the dip into the gap. Are we gonna see another one? 68. Oh gosh, this is strong. This is strong, huh?
LNAI, CMCT, MBSQ. ALDS.
MBST.
Oh, wow.
RZLT.
Let me get my glasses on here. 71.
PLB1.
Sheesh.
CMCT.
What's gonna happen here?
CGT.
This is going to be pretty crazy if we keep going.
ALDS.
68, hold 68. No, it's not gonna hold 68. 57, no, back to 68 though.
UCAR. PIOS. BTAL.
BTAI.
LNAI.
LITX.
HCW. CMCT. BIAF.
BIAF. SEI.
ALDS.
AIOS. MVST. ALM.
UCAR. AIOS.
UCAR.
NVIZ. LITE.
That's pushing.
LITX.
BLB1.
BAF. Wow, this one also pushing.
BIAF.
Okay, we have strength today, bro. We have strength.
WNW may resume in less than a minute.
We have strength today. Market is
YTD
open
may
is
rest
hot.
10 seconds.
The open is hot.
AIOS.
You gotta stay
NVIZ.
patient.
AIOS.
Gotta stay put. Don't get caught in some nonsense.
BIAF. LITX.
BIAF.
Don't
ALM.
wanna get caught in some nonsense.
ALDX.
YBDL.
SHIM may resume in less than a minute. HIMZ.
ALDX. DVBS.
WNW may rest in 10 seconds.
Don't wanna get caught in some nonsense.
YTD will hold you to the side.
Choppy there. This thing might continue to push over 70. I'm looking at two stocks at the same time. Potentially they slip into the gap, or it might be this one pushing through 70.
ALDX. YBDL.
50 to 60, 65 to 60.
UCAR.
65 to 60. This thing may come lower though.
YBDL. BIAF. UCAR.
HIMZ.
65 might hold. 60,
YBDL.
60, 63, 62. Back to 63.
UCAR.
Okay, 63 then.
SHIM.
Yeesh. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. 63 was good spot.
UCAR. UTVT.
Down again. It's UCAR. UCAR's got volume as well. Everything's got volume today. Holy smokes, man.
That's T Island. ALDX. UCAR. That's H Island.
Over 66. And okay, here we go. I have to take this gap and go. It retested this, so we may get a nice trade over 66. Come on, 67.
That's T Island.
Let's see what it wants to do here. Gap and go, gap and go. I'll add to this depending how this plays out. This is like pushing so hard. 68, 69. Nothing. Dip. Watching here. And, okay. I mean, that dip right here at 63 all the way to 70. I mean, that's just a beauty, right? Second attempt at the gap, I was kind of hesitating on it. Oh, all right. Trying to build a good day.
That's T item. WAW.
So retesting against 65 and it's holding. So then we got some volume here. We got some support. So you see U car that are working.
Why do you think that?
It, holding. U car holding.
Complete assault.
47. What's it low? 43. Oh, I need to take that, bro. Take that, take that, take that. Any day, take that. Take that all day, bro. All day you gotta take that. Okay, fine. We got this 69 here. 70. This is just going to be pushing. I could get in here early. Dang, bro. Keep pushing 72. Don't break 70. Broke 70. I'm looking for the squeeze. Looking for the squeeze. Let's see, what about this? Looking for the squeeze. You know me. Looking for the squeeze. Dip under 50. See how well you want to go under 50. No, 50 is gonna hold. Shoot, 50 is gonna hold. Mhm. Nice dip, brother. I'm slacking right now. I'm slacking. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. A gap and go. Two gap and goes, and I'm slacking on the on my 1 minute gaps. 60. I'm trying to see if this is going to be a good one over 60.
That's King Island.
Green.
CREG.
Let's do it. 68. Over 70. Come on.
That's King
Push. 100 shares here. 70's got some sellers out. 70's got some sellers. We'll see.
YCE. That's King Island. BIAF.
70 got some sellers. Okay, U-car. Okay, another gap and go here. 64. 63. Shoot. Coming a little lower, seems like. It wants to break 70 there. No, maybe not yet. U-car, not trading that. I mean, I could trade it. Yeesh. With a dip. Oh. Got enough going on here. Got enough going on here. It probably will work. I don't know, but this print 70. We can probably see a trade at 70.
Why do you do that? That's King Island.
U-car. Wow, U-car actually going. Huh. Interesting. It's the next hold. Jeez.
That's H Island.
So we have a lot of volatility today.
That's King Island. UCAR.
Wow, look at us. Okay, 70 there. Yeesh. We're gonna form a gap here, depending on how well this gap is gonna be. We can take a trade. I might get in early because the momentum is hot. So I might not get another dip better than 75.
UCAR. Procedure.
Let's see what kind of dip I get here. This is kind of rushing it. I rushed it. I saw the volume. I came in, but I got in pretty high, 83 out, 85. Looked like it was a good call to get in early at 75 because that would have been much better. No. So 77 is this low. gonna take a dip here. I want to see if this level 73, which is yesterday's high or last week's high. So let's see how well this is gonna hold. Dip. $76, $73. Oh my gosh. What? I was thinking about taking it and then it just freaking took off. Oh my gosh, the momentum is so hot today. It's like no time to think about this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. We might get the break of 3 now here. 86, 85 could still hold. Jeez. Dip. Oh my gosh, I'm like missing every trade on this. Oh wow. That's crazy. Oof. The momentum is pretty high. Momentum indeed is pretty high. Every 10 cents too. So if you look at the 10 cents, 80, 90, that worked really well. Here, tried to get in at 65, but wasn't able to get into this gap. So this actually might be good. Maybe not. Oof, what a drop to 85. Just 81, 82, low level 72. Whoa, that's crazy. New car opened up. Sheesh.
You see a line.
64, 63 again, 62. Dang it, brother. I'm getting caught right at the worst end of this in my gap. 60. Yeah, 60. Somebody's selling this pretty hard. Maybe we can get a sick bounce here. Sick bounce, 3K only. Dang. Oh, I got caught there. 63 to 62, 61. Yeah, I lost like 1 cent. I lost 3 cents on that. Dang. Okay. Others would bounce, man. It looked pretty strong. Looked pretty strong. Shoot, 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 shoot. All right. Looks like we may get a reclaim here. This would be nuts. 86. Yeah, am I pushing it here? Maybe I'm pushing it here. Yeah, I'm pushing it here. I think I might be pushing it there. Oh, that's just sad. I just didn't see the green that I wanted to see. So I'll flat on that. All right. Okay. So this is gonna resume. This actually turned out to be a really great stock. Let's see what this wants to do here. 2K at 56. All right, we'll be patient. All right, this thing opened up. Maybe we get a hold down finally. Oh my. That's insane. That's insane. That's insane. Hold down. Into a hold down. Should I buy this place? False hold down? Oh, bro. This is a gap reclaim here over 71. I'll take it here. 1K only. Stop 70, roughly. Nice, 78, 80. 87, some trouble there. Out, 79. Right into this gap. If it wants to keep going, we'll get it on early next time. So far, so good. Too happy about losing a little bit too much on LNAI. Here it looks like it wants to break through 70. Okay, we'll take it. Nice move. Okay, so this keeps going. So aggression is at its best right now. Momo is here rejecting though, so I gotta be careful not to jump into something silly. Also, the 5 minute looks kind of weird, very volatile. These for some at 42. Maybe it'll give everything back. But we're looking for a dip at 30, 32 maybe.
That's index. W or W.
Dude, if this thing goes here, we can get a nice trade 82 here. Hold 82, hold 80. Ideally 80, right? But 82 could still be good. What's it gonna be? Almost took it 86. Dip, 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 dip a little bit, dip a little bit. Don't just flash out. 87, 86. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. 84. All right, whatever. We tried it. We tried it. It looked pretty good there. Could still work. Could still work. Stop 82. All right, here we go. 32. Hold down is what? 34. False hold could work here very well. Yeah, 2 down. All right, it's gonna be this one then. Let's do it. 88.5. I need this now. I need this now. I need this now. I need this now. Volume. Nothing. I'm in a little too high there. So I need it a little quicker. It might still work. Does work there. So not being patient enough on that. 82 is a good stop though. 82 is a good stop. I kind of just took that and put the flat stop. Hmm.
W or W.
Just hovering around this area though for a long time. What's it gonna be? So it's accumulating here. It's accumulating buyers and sellers. I have a little gap right here, 83.
That's index.
What's it gonna be? Yeah, so here massive rejection really quickly. So we could see a massive rejection. But if it continues to hold, man, it's just looking good. So we gotta be patient and stay away from these massive rejections. Wait for the right entry. So entry again, maybe in the 70s.
W or W.
Get rid of some of these lines.
That's index.
There are buyers. There's might be a little trade here. Oh, there, 77, 76, 74, 73. I like this gap though. I like this gap. Buyers coming in here. Into 100 shares here at 75. If I see 73, I'll probably get it out, but this could be a good dip. I want to have a good position here for the next move. So just 200 shares just to test the waters down there.
That's index.
So I could be risking a flush. I don't want to eat a flush here, you know. Nice. 82. Okay, good. So Algo's picked it up one more time. So time to size up here. Time to get a real trade in. This one I open one more time. Surely we have a gap right here. 109 to 120. Oh, this is short sale restriction. Okay. That makes sense. That actually makes sense why it's behaving this way. That makes sense. I'll get it out. Anyway, that was a little loss. False hold right at the top of this gap. Nope. Okay, we have this now. That has been very good on the push higher. That's the high. 73. Brother, this is crazy. I mean, when it decides to push higher, it just wants to push higher. Everybody just piles in. I was going to form an ugly rejection here. 64 to 61. It could be an area for a dip. 65 might hold. Top of the gap, 65. No, candles looking weak. Okay, candles holding. Previous candle is weak. Maybe we can get a dip here. Dang, held 65. 68, 67. Might need to take a trade outside my strategy because just the volume is just so strong. Okay, 2 times rejected above right there at 60, at 70. See if we can get a dip now here. Dip 63, maybe 67. I need to take a trade outside my strategy, man. This thing is strong. Oh my goodness, this thing is strong. But 70, 799, basically 80. Don't want to be this high up here, but it is holding. No, out. I'm gonna do it again. That's a trade outside my strategy because the volume was really strong. Let's see if I can actually take a dip now. Oh,
LNAI.
65. What's it gonna be? 65 is gonna hold. Between 64 and 61 is my entry. This dip might be really strong, so waiting for it. I gotta do it. I gotta go for it. This dip might be really strong.
RCAT.
65 won't break, bro. 65 won't break. I'm in at 66.60. No, I'm in at 66 flat. Yeah, might break. No. Let me get that dip. Let me get a dip. Okay, fine. Looks like it might actually hold. Looking through 67 then. Price action wants to fold 65. Okay, so volume. Algo's picked it up 65. Looking for this now. Over 67. Algo squeeze here over 67. Algo squeeze. Algo squeeze. Algo squeeze. Come on. Algo squeeze. Squeeze. Nah. Looking for algo squeeze there. I mean, it held 65 so many times. So it only makes sense for me to take that very quickly, looking for the algo squeeze in a mini gap and go. It's like kind of there, but no real gap though. So just holding 67, quite a lot. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? 67 is holding. Dip. Now I want to see this dip here. 63. If I see 63, that would be very good. Come on, 63. 65 again. Okay, so all those are sitting at 65. Okay. So what's it gonna be? 65 again? Waiting. $62. Holding 62. Don't break 62. Please don't break 62. Oh, it's not gonna break it. 63. Ah, dang it. Okay, I need to relax. My stop is 61. Just take it to your stop. Take it to your stop. Dip a little bit. Dude. Okay, then lower. Back over 61 though. 58, okay. Sheesh. There's another gap down here though. 57, nope. Oh, what a sell-off, bro. What a sell-off. $81. This could be good. This could be good. We waited quite a bit. I gotta try. If I'm gonna try early, I gotta try with maybe smaller size. $200 shares here. I'll keep adding 200, 200. Like how this is setting up 84. Next candle 83. Don't break 81. Ah, it's gonna break it. Back over 80. Back over 80. So the stock is back into the gap here. This is a big 5-minute gap. There's a 1-minute gap here inside of it. So multi-volatility, and this is insane. So I think we may get a nice squeeze. I think we may get a nice squeeze, honestly. Yeah, I'll take this. A little gap and go inside this thing here. I'm in at 62. We're a little high there. Let's see what it wants to do here. I don't like that push down. Don't like the fact that it went to 60. Come on, come on, come on. I I got out flat on it. Okay, so mistimed this. Mistimed it. Okay, need to slow down. Okay. So potentially a trade here. Much better gap. 80 is this low. 88, 87. I'm in high now. Maybe here would have been a better trade, but let's see. I'm in high. I'm gonna try it again. 86, 86, 86, 85. This could do it though. This could do it. Dang it. Okay, let's wait for a dip into this gap. Can we dip into this gap? Can you do a dip? 86 to 80. Please, bro. Get a dip. Let's get a dip. Let's get a dip. Come on. Get a dip. 86 to 80. Let's get a dip. Come on. Nothing. So, I'm waiting for certain structure to play out, but I need to focus more on what's happening with the price action because it did hold 86, and that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Um, Here we go. Are we gonna hold 90 now? 95 is holding. 93. It does hold the gap, so the gap's still valid. 80 is stop at 80. I mean, that's a pretty big loss, but that's the right one. Now we're at $3. Right. Shoot. Oh. So what's the plan here? Missing out on some of our setups. Here we go. Dip at 86, 86, 86. I will take that dip at 86. It hit 86. I don't know anymore. It's got weakness though. I don't want to buy into this weakness. Yeah, 89. When I try to get it at 85, got 89. Fine. 94. Stop might be flat here. I mean, if I'm lucky, we can get a good move. I'm hoping that the algos are sitting right above this gap, that we're able to make this move happen. Probably not. Get it out. $82. Hoping the algos are sitting right above 80. Come on, let this be the one. All right, I'm folding this flat. I think this could be good. Also need more size. Maybe I get a chance to add to this. I mean, it doesn't look the best. Yeah. Yeah, I have to get out. I mean, it doesn't look the best. I'll take a gap reclaim as well. It held that level. Shoot, man. Dang. Okay, I gotta hold to my stop, man. I gotta hold to my stop. My stop is 80. I gotta hold on to it. Okay. I'm keeping the stop flat sometimes when I should probably keep the stop at the break of the low of the gap. Right? So okay, here we go. Maybe this could be a good dip here. 83. Please hold 83. That could be good. Nice. 84. Nah, it's not gonna do it. Boot. $79, $77, back to 80, back to 80. If it's back to 80, this could be strong. This could be back to 80 and it could be strong. It's back to 80, could be strong. Man, that sucks, huh? Added this little widget here showing you my P&L of the day. Yeah, took a little loss there. Ah, well, looked good. Turned out to be bad. Okay, CREG looking very interesting here. 29. Start with 3K. See if we can get a nice entry here. 29. Wow. Okay. Ooh, back to 29. Looks volatile for sure. It's volatile for sure. It's volatile for sure. I missed this gap, this 1 minute gap, which was very good. Okay. Are we gonna get a push? 30. Ooh, jeez. Okay. Okay. It's volatile. Looking for this to get a, oh, looking to get a good grip on it, but up of 50 now. You're gonna need to size down. Holy smokes. Wow. I missed some very good entries, I must say. I'm not sure if we're going to see another squeeze here, or it might be too high. Don't want to eat a loss. Definitely don't want to eat a loss here. Don't want to eat this loss. Big seller showing up at 61, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. SSR as well, so it's a bit of a crazy one, huh? Okay, turned out to be a good one. $40 to $33. Maybe too late to get in. This was probably the best opportunity right there. This could be a good dip here. We have a 200 EMA at 229. Hopefully it doesn't flush down. Don't know what it's going to do, but volume is lower. Just trying to hold. Feel like if it breaks 40, it's pretty much done here. It's a high gap. Not a lot of conviction on it. Could give a good bounce, but 33. 35 was that low. Might try to come a little lower.
W.
29 to 200, maybe it'll hold there. 33. Back over 33 could be interesting if it's actually strong. Back over 33. Jeez, there it is. Increasing red volume. Yeah, not good. So there might be a dip here at 20 on this 5-minute gap, 18, 16. Eee, in it. What am I buying? Oh shoot, I bought the wrong thing. Oh, dang it. Shoot, I bought the wrong thing. Ah, dude. Oh wow. Fully prepared on this. Here we go. Let's see this. 18. It's gonna be a good 5-minute. A 208 if we can get it lower here. I bought the wrong stock, huh? At least we get out flat. Dang. This could still be good though. A little lower. We have room to 208. 208, 218. Yeah, let's do tape for 215. Green volume showed up there. This could be good here. I want to give it a little more room here. Volume coming in, nice. Volume came in very nicely there. It's SSR, so they can't really push it any further. They can only short it on the uptick, so they're probably shorting it here, but at least you might get a good bounce before they start shorting it. 20.
I don't know.
I'm getting the bounce I want to see. Still though, we'll leave it at 15. Green. Green.
I don't know that.
Green, come on. Ah, okay. Comes low. Ah, dude. Ah, what the heck, bro? I'm trading like crap. Trading like crap right there. I got stopped out for 2 cents. Dang it.
CREG.
All right. Well, that's the move I wanted to see. Well, only I could hold a little longer. Dip here, maybe we can get a nice dip.
CREG. I don't know that.
Such a beautiful. Dang. All right. Might get a good dip here. See if we can grab a good one. 21 would be that low. 30. 30. Ooh. Okay. Don't like this high fill though. 32. Not a fan of this high fill. Maybe we can get something lower here. 21. There it is, 24. Could be good, but no, this thing I might actually get a little too cooked there. Ah, yeah, not good, not good, not good. Compensating, trying to make for a trade I missed. Not good. Could actually be a good spot to take a trade here at the low of this gap. Give this a try here, 16 by 17. I could be into early, but we'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. We're in this bottom of this gap. If it wasn't going to break, well, if it was going to break, should have broken on that candle. Maybe I rushed this. I actually rushed this. So we're getting some green here. Hopefully we get some green here. Nah. You know, about to get cooked on this. Yeah. Hold 8. It's not gonna hold 8. Yeah, out. Dang. Wow. I went from green, $300 to red, $26. Wow. Okay. What a day, man. Complete turnaround. I got in here right at this low. Please don't wreck me here. 71 is my stop. 74 is my entry. Low that is 72. Almost didn't get it. But let's see. If this is the only gap I gotta hold. 71 is a stop. It's just so funny. When I'm red, I'm willing to hold to the gap, to the break of the gap. But when I'm green, I don't freaking hold anything, man. All right, let's see. Let's see it. Could be good. Could be good. 5 minute. I'm down here. I'm down. 1 cent on this. This could turn around. We're right at VWAP. VWAP is 70. No, brother. No, 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 no. And volatility just left, dude. There's no more volatility anymore. Dude, come on. There you go. 73, 74. Let's go. Come on. Oh, 70. Maybe that's what we needed. Quick dip to 70. I want to see us get out of this gap. Not down there though. We have the last candle had a good amount of green volume there, which is good to see. This could give a good bounce, although there could be another 67. Could be another dip down there to 67. It's holding though, it's holding. SSR, which is good. People can't short it here. So buying needs to happen. Dude, come on. All right, I need to get out here pretty soon if it's not going to work. Nice. Nice, come on. Nice. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I mean, that's 74.5. Pretty high on the dip, but could be good.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
70. Yeah. If this breaks here, 70, I need to get out. Hopefully it's not a flush. Hopefully it's not a flush.
I didn't know that. CREG.
Ah, garbage, bro. Today I traded like crap. Oh, dude. I traded like crap the second half. So we have a trade. We could do a dip down here as well. 67, 66.
CREG.
65, 63. That was probably a better dip down there. 63. There was another gap here. Yeah.
I don't know that.
I did like crap.
CREG. UCLI.
All right, this could be one of my last trades. There could be a dip down here to 207, 203. Sadly, I've been taking a loss ever since 10 a.m. I think. Um, but it only takes one good trade, so let's see. 1007 to 1003 here. Hands holding strong.
I didn't know that.
Being patient, looking for this to get a little lower. At least 210. At least 210. Here we go. 211. 210. 210, 210, 210, 209. Yep, 9. Beautiful entry. Let's do it. 8. 8, 7. 7 has to be good. Nice. 12. Good, 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 good. Top of the gap setup. 12. Green now. Green, green, green. It's important that I get some green here. Nice. Come on, let me get some green here, bro. Stop is going to be flat basically at 9. If it wants to come back again to 9, it'll be flat. Nice. Good. Good, 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 good. Come on. I might get out here. Nice. Buyers coming in right here at 9. 12. 9 again. Okay, 12. Okay, a lot of buyers stepping in. This could be a really good trade. This could be a really good trade, actually. SSR as well. A lot of buyers here. A lot of buyers, please. So we're looking for a push over to 30. At least 30 on this. 17. 18, 19. 17. Next 5 minute could be very important here. So I'm gonna hold 10 seconds. Stop is gonna be 9. I want to see that volume come in through this though. Here, pushing, pushing, pushing. Pushing, at least give me an attempt at 20. I think we'll get an attempt at 20. Here's a new 5 minute candle. Bang. Back at 11. Still good though, still good, still good. I'm folding. This could be a good because I saw a lot of volume, a lot of green on the tape right at 9, 10. So this could still be good. This could still be good. So I want to see green here. Possible green here. Nine again, 10. Still holding. BIAF kind of moving. Don't want to see 9 again. Don't want to see 9 again here. This needs to go here. Nice. 12, 13. Yeah, it's getting shorter in every pop. Quickly goes to 12 and immediately comes back down. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. So no, it's not gonna do it. Maybe a little lower into the gap. I'll be able to get it a little lower. Man, I had some almost 10 cents on that. I wanted to see at least the attempt at 20. Eight, seven, right under VWAP. It could still work. Eight, fine, eight. Tight stop. Tight stop, looking for a tight stop here. Eight. Hmm. Okay, trying it. Ah, dang it. Trying 9, 8. I gotta get out of this. Trying 7. I know there are buyers here. Doesn't even want to get close to 7. 8 is holding very strong. 10 on that. 10. Okay, fine. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Down 200 on the day. Got a terrible fill there. Am I still? Oh. All of these have been 1,000 shares, which is good. But still. All right, fine. I'll take it 7. Because it seems to have bounced there. That exit was at 5, from 10 to 5. Yeah. Okay. Well. If I don't see it here, it's probably not going to do it. I'm right on the gap. Ah, shoot. Yeah. Wow, what a waste. What a waste of money there, bro. I just threw away 250. Dang. All right, well, I traded like crap today, trying to compensate. Had a really good trade here. Could have sold there. Tried to get a dip on this, but no way it didn't work. Just throwing out money into the wind. Down 250. 250 on the day. Okay, well, this ended up working well through this area. Now we got a nice push here. Just going to be the beginning of the next move. 1230. Down 250. So we got to keep it tight. We don't have much more room to risk. We already took some questionable trades, so it's a sad reality. But volume picked up. We'll see if it gives a dip. It gives a dip somewhere, maybe at 9. Could be an interesting dip. Could be an interesting dip.
That's really the other one.
Let's see how well the pullback is going to hold. Is very important. It's very important. New 5-minute here. So this is the new 5-minute. So we'll see. To give a dip to 211, pushing higher. Okay. This is the type of move I want to catch. And honestly, one of the biggest issues today was not sticking to my stop. One of the bigger issues today, not sticking to my stop. You know, I gave a good move, not sticking to my stop. So big rejection here. No, well, not a big rejection. Normal rejection with high volume. Looking for a dip 211 to 206. This is the only one that looks good for a trade. Okay, looks like we might get a dip here. 211 to 206. Would be nice to get a dip here. Nothing yet. Okay. I take a dip here over 219. Might take a gap and go over 219. I actually go right away if it's going to be strong. Looks like it will. Looks like it will. Let's see this dip. Looks like it will. 26 to 27. Yeah. Pretty tight there. Sell it at 27. We go 25.
It's still giving you a card.
19. We have like a pretty strong dip there, 19. $18. Not messing with this. Needs to get back over 20 though. Needs to get back over 20 for me to take it. Or at least back over 19. No, 15. Okay, let's take a dip here. Take a dip right here, which is going to be 16. There we go, 13. 14. 14. Gap form right there, 14. Don't know, this was a very strong candle. Might see another red candle. Wait, I'll wait. Strong red candle. Let's see, it's a 5-minute play though. It's a 5-minute gap. 5-minute gap here. Let's see how well 14 is going to fold. 14. I might take it here. 12, 13, 11, 12, 11, 10, 10. 10 might be good. I'll go to 9. 9. Could be good. 9 still though. Looking for a bounce here in this gap. Looking for a bounce on this gap. 9 holding very strong. Nice. 13, 14, 15. Good bounce here. Now I would like to see this bounce. $14. You could see 11 again, but I want to see 14. I want to see a bounce. Looks like the bounces are not good on this one. Off the gaps, they're not good, right? See if I can get out 13. Okay. Could be good now. We'll see. So I took it. I'd rather take it. Because what happened earlier was I had a good winner here and then I didn't take it. It came back down. So the bounces out of the gaps are not strong. Gap and goes are much stronger on this. Earlier in the day, it traded much differently. Yes, it was much nicer. The bounces off the gaps right here, but now not anymore. Okay, I like how this pushed one more time out of the lows here of 9. So we may get a nice squeeze here. 13 is that low, 14. We're gonna try maybe 1K here. 14. 14. I bought it. Didn't I buy it? I bought it, doesn't fill me. Oh, wow. You filled me at 16. You son of a gun, why? Why did you fill me at 16? Is there something brewing here? There's something brewing here. It seems like we're right at the top of that gap. See if we can get in there and approach a breakout. Yep, 16, 17. Come on, brother. Dang. Bro, down 219. Bro, I just made, I lost, how much did I lose on this? I lost $40 on that. Dude, it's just I'm spinning my wheels here. All right, we're gonna call it here. Today we traded like absolute crap from being up, having a good day of 300 bucks. I just took so many losses in a row. I mean, oh, look at how many losses I took. I mean, can you even count these? This was a mistake too. This was clearly a mistake, so I gotta delete this one. Anyway, actually, let me delete that. All right, so we deleted that trade, and look at this. So we ended up taking, bro, like since 10 a.m. unable to get a win, unable to get a win on this, unable. Look at this until the second to last trade. What a crazy day, huh? And I just missed my entries, bro. I just missed them. I think it's just a psychological problem I'm having when it comes to taking bigger size. So I just gotta pull the trigger. Just gotta do it. And when I do it, it works. It gives me more confidence. So it's a mechanism that needs to be reinforced. Reinforced. So 30% accuracy. Might lose my winners. Okay, that's not too bad, but yeah, holding my losers for too long. Taking bigger sides overall though, which is good. So let's take a look at some of these trades. Early morning LNAI was very good. 66 to 69 goes all the way up to 74. I get out too quickly, perhaps. Only six seconds. Need to hold that for longer. Next trade on this, nice dip, sell 65. Too soon? Cold? Goes back all the way to 70. Like, we're leaving a lot on the table here, you know? I mean, at the beginning, it's like 3 cents immediately. I'm like, I'm taking it, but dude, hold, be patient. You know, you get an extra 5 cents. 5 cents, dude. That's a lot. That's really a lot. So total of what? Like all the way up to 70, say 71. So that would be like, yeah, like 8, 9 cents. So yeah, 8, 9 cents on 3K side. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. So why am I selling so quickly? So nervous. gotta remain patient, you know? So let's see. Took some losses here. Let's see if we can change these shapes. So yeah, I took some losses on here. Trying to catch a good dip on the gap. No. Try to catch a breakout. No. A dip. No. Yeah, so all of these are losses. Mainly just it was just here that was a good trade. Anyway, all right, we'll deal with that. BAF. What happened? So yeah, so I took some trades here. Nice trade, not good, decent trade. Don't take. I did not take this on this gap. Look great. Here. That's not bad. Get caught here. 200 shares though on this trade. Trying it one more time here. I gotta this one I gotta give it more room. 86 was the low. It was still looking good. Made the move to $83, I mean. Took a dip here. The rest flat. Took another dip. No, it didn't work. Anyway, ended up giving back. Just look at this. Ended up giving back so much, right? From having a good day, 70, yeah, like 150, giving back most of it, right? With all these losses. Yeah, I'm right on it. And CREG was like so crazy for me. So I had I saw this trade, I watched it, didn't take it. Beautiful. Took this trade, did not hold, sold. Beautiful. Trying it here for like a pull, for like a dip. No, trying it here again, no. Trying it on this area. Out here, yep. Trying it here. I tried it here way too much, bro. I should have taken profit here. Should have, would have, could have. No, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. I shouldn't have taken profit. This is fine. I'll take it. Boom. Flat. Next trade, I go here, take profit now this time because I know what it did last time, so I know the bounces are not as strong. And then one last trade right there to finish the day off. So one good winner, one loser, but most of it losers. Most of it losers, man. The main trade was here. One and done, dude. One and done, bro. Such a beautiful trade, too. Beautiful, beautiful. This is like absolutely beautiful. Like this is gorgeous. This is beauty right here. Every day, if I have one of these, that's it. I'm a millionaire. I'm a millionaire by the end of the year. If every day I have one of these, forget about it. Today we had it, we failed. Here it is. One more of these, but don't hold it. That's what happens when you don't hold. You miss out on the trade, you miss out on the profits, you miss out on executing well in your strategy. So these are the stats for today. The month is looking only $400. Trading too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Yeah, I gotta trade less. Less with conviction. So we'll see. I know I can do it. I know I can do it. I know I can do it. Anyway, had a good $300 day, threw it out the window. But we'll live to trade another day. We're happy where we're at. Tomorrow will come and I will need to size up accordingly and hold on to my strategy, hold on to my rules, respect my rules. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try our free trading analysis tool, check out our features. $5 a month. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. You get a beautiful analytics platform. Super easy to use. I love it. Anyway, so check out our features. Hit me up on Discord and I will see you tomorrow.